You missed a great game tonight.
Who won?
Your favorite team.
I wish I could have seen it.
Watch the highlights on the sports news.
That's not the same.
There was a bank robbery downtown.
Did anyone get hurt?
I don't know yet.
Have they caught the robbers?
No, the police are looking for them.
We better lock our doors.
I don't know what I'm going to do.
What's wrong?
The stock market crashed.
Did you have investments?
Yes, I lost all of my money.
I'm too scared to invest my money.
Honey, close all of the windows and lock the doors.
What's going on?
Someone escaped from prison.
Is he dangerous?
The police say he is armed and dangerous.
I'm scared.
What was that loud boom?
There was a chemical explosion a few blocks away.
Did anyone get hurt?
Yeah, over 50 people were injured.
Do we need to evacuate the building?
Yes, don't take the elevator.
What's on the news?
A typhoon hit China this morning.
That's scary. Don't you have family there?
Yes, I've been trying to call my grandmother.
Have you talked to her?
No, all the phone lines are down. I just read in the newspaper that coffee prevents cancer.
Really? That's great news.
I know. We drink so much coffee.
Let's have another cup right now.
Okay, I'll make a fresh pot.
I guess not everything causes cancer.
I can't believe you're on social media again.
I'm reading the news.
These people are your friends. They're not reporters.
They post what's going on in the news.
That's not real news.
It's more fun than the news channels. Real news is boring.
Do you follow the news?
Not really. It's boring.
How can you say it's boring?
It's always the same stuff, violence and politics.
I have to watch, read, or listen to the news every day.
Then you can tell me what's going on since I don't watch, read, or listen to the news.
Did you hear about Gina Taylor?
Yeah, I can't believe she's getting a divorce already.
I know. She just got married last month.
I thought they would get divorced after 1 year.
Celebrities never stay married.
This actually shouldn't be big news.
Did you see the game last night?
Yeah, it was amazing.
I can't believe we won.
It's our first championship.
We celebrated last night.
We set off fireworks.
I watched the news to see the highlights of the game.
I recorded the game. I'm going to watch it again tonight.
Can I join you?
Sure.
Did you hear about Joe Glow?
No. What happened?
He was arrested for drugs.
I didn't hear about that.
It's been all over the news.
I don't watch the news.
I'm not surprised he was caught with drugs.
Why?
He was acting strange during his last concert.
I missed that too.
I'm quitting my job today.
Why? Can you afford to quit?
Did you see the news?
No, not yet.
The stock market is soaring.
What does it mean?
It means I made a lot of money.
What are you going to do now?
Retire early, pay off my home loan, and travel.
That's awesome. I wish I could do that. Turn on the news.
What happened?
There's a bank robbery going on.
Where?
On Main Street.
I was just there an hour ago.
You got lucky. The robbers are still inside with hostages.
That's scary. I hope no one gets hurt.
The robbers are demanding money and a helicopter.
What about the hostages?
Do you believe that coffee prevents cancer?
I want to believe it. I love coffee.
But your coffee is not very healthy.
Why do you say that?
You put lots of cream and sugar in your coffee.
It tastes better that way.
You should drink it black, like me.
It's too bitter.
I don't think your coffee will prevent cancer.
I'm still going to believe it.
What's on the news?
Someone just broke out of prison
Where?
a few miles from here.
Don't open the door for anyone.
I know. I'm glad we have a big dog.
If he starts barking, I'm grabbing my gun.
Be careful with that thing.
I'm always careful and prepared.
I hope the police catch him soon.
Did you watch the news this morning?
No, what happened?
There was a chemical explosion at my old office.
Did anyone get hurt?
I don't know yet.
You're lucky you don't work there anymore.
I know. The building was so old.
Did they evacuate the area?
Yeah, the police and fire department are still there.
I should call my friend. She lives a couple blocks from there.
The typhoon is heading our way.
Let's check to see we have everything we need.
I'll check the flashlights and batteries.
I'll make sure we have enough food and water.
I'm glad we have a basement.
Me too. Let's head downstairs soon.
Bring extra blankets and a first aid kit, too.
Good idea.
Don't forget the dogs.
They're already down there.
Did you hear Joe Glow, the country music singer, died?
Really? I was just watching the news and they didn't mention that.
That's what I just read.
How did he die?
From a drug overdose.
That's sad. I still don't see anything about it on the news.
Just wait.
Where did you read this?
On social media.
Michelle, it's a hoax. The news just announced that it was a fake story.
Did you hear about the big earthquake?
No,
It's been all over the news and internet.
I don't follow the news.
Then how do you know what's going on?
If it's important, I'll hear people talking about it.
Don't you want to know as soon as something happens?
The news is too scary.
Why is it scary?
They only talk about bad things, like crime, accidents, and earthquakes.